Okay, off to the woods. Well, we are in the woods actually. We're going to test a new stove sent to me by FIREMAPLE. So we're going to give it a go. Get up the cabin, set it all up, and we're going to make a nice, beautiful carbonara. So we'll meet you up there. Here we go. Okay, there we go. This is what they sent me. Your mobile kitchen, FIREMAPLE. Let's have a look. Ultralight titanium gas stove. It's all in. So you got a preheat tube designed for cold season. Camping gas stove, titanium, steel, aluminium body, and copper. There we go. Type of gas, butane propane, which I do like to use in most of my cookers because well, it doesn't freeze in the winter, whereas butane does. So propane keeps it, well, so you only got a bit of protein, 30% protein, 70% butane. But also on the website I did notice, I looked that you can also use the standard bottle with them. The I'll show you one of them, 2 seconds. So it'll also use these if you buy the adapter, which they sell on the website as well, which fits this. So let's move them to one side. And let's have a look what we get in the packet. Okay, here we go. We'll open this up now. I've not even opened it. So good it is. Right, okay. Woohoo, right, okay. A little pamphlet. With all the, I suppose, your instructions. Let's have a quick look at that. I don't think you need many instructions, but it just tells you. Okay, pretty straightforward. All right. So it comes in a nice little Hessian type bag. Drawstrings. A little ticket on it. I'll get this out in a second, 2 seconds. Yep, here we go. Right. Well packed, I must admit. Anyway, so I'm going to rest it. I'm going to put it on my thing. So let's bring it down a little bit. Okay. That'll probably have to come off anyway. Oh, there we go. Nice. Cute. So legs splay out on the bottom, which gives it a really good stance, which is ideal. And then we've got the 3 pot holders. All right, let's have a look. We're going to do some cooking on this in a minute. That's why we're just... Yep. Let's have a look. Excuse me more. Yeah. So, very, very stable. That's what we want. Okay, let's get it fired up. So the tag on the thing just gives you a bit of an insight what it is. Made by FIREMAPLE manufacturer. Camping stove, type of gas, butane propane, which we went through. Vapor pressure, butane and propane mixture. Heat 2.8 kilowatts. All right. Okay. Let's connect the canister. Let me bring you back out a bit. Here we go. There we go. Right. Yeah, I'm just going to just... I'm just trying to get this right. Okay, let's give it a quick test before we start cooking. So there's the thumb screw. Oh, turn it down a little bit. Be fit. Nice. Okay. Turn it down. So we can get it down to simmer. Let's have a quick look at this. Yeah, that's impressive. Look at that. Very controllable. Even less than that. Alright, let's get cooking. Cool. Nice bit of kit. Okay, first thing first. Look at that glowing. Beautiful. Right. Good double butter. A bit more for that. Okay, let's get that going. I have found with some cookers they've got an automatic click on the side which is an igniter, and it's failed. What the first one I had failed after the first day because of the heat. I don't know why, but anyway, so I don't mind just lighting it with a ferrocerium rod or a lighter or a match, whatever you want to use. Back it up a little bit. Couple of pinches of garlic, well, a bit more than that. Love it. Chuck it on. Okay. Stir that in. That glowing, beautiful. I just dropped it down to a simmer. Brilliant. Right, just let that simmer for a second. I'm going to cut up the next is chicken. Two chicken breasts. That's all we need. It's only me and Jane anyway, so I'll wipe the board down because we get a lot of people saying, oh, you know, you need to wipe your board, you need to. Anyway, I'll do that. Okay, so now we're going to add the chicken. Looks like the onions have sauteed quite a lot. They've gone almost translucent, not quite yet. Give another couple of minutes. More power. Okay, so we're going to let that cook away now till the chicken turns nice and white, so it's cooked throughout. Add a bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. These are handy, I've seen them before. I've seen them, you've seen them before anyway. They don't come out very quick, but salt, and there is pepper as well on the other side. It's like for camping, they're good. So we use the dark pepper. I'll say that took about a couple of minutes, look. Next is I'm just going to chop up some mushrooms. Adding another knob of butter. Just pop this one off the heat for a second. Pop this one on the heat. Whack it up a little bit. Okay. Look at the flame on this now. You see that it covers the whole of the bottom of the pan, which is actually brilliant, because sometimes if you don't and it's just like a short burn one, unless you're boiling just water, the short stumpy ones with the flame goes straight up will actually burn the bottom of the pan, in the food inside. So that's one thing about that. The flame is across the whole bottom of the pan. Okay, before it goes out, you're just going to add a little bit of Himalayan salt. Woohoo! There you go. And while we wait, you hear that? Nice little cup of cider. That's almost coming to the boil already. That's fast. Okay. And which one's yours, Jane? Is it Matt? That one, the bigger one. Right. Cheers, guys and girls. Cheers, Janie. Well, that didn't take long. Look at that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Get it to simmer. Yes, caught that just in time. Yeah, top. See what I mean by the stability of the cooker? I mean, this is full of water and I'm stirring the tagliatelle and it's not moving an inch, so. So that's why that's simmering. We're in there for a second. So FIREMAPLE, thank you very much for sending me this cooker. It's absolutely amazing. I actually love it. I think it's great. I will leave a link in the description down below for their website and this particular cooker. They've got loads on their websites. They're a specialist in camping stuff and camping stoves as well. So yeah, this is the Blade 2. Right, okay, let's crack on with the cooking, and we'll finish off in a minute and see what it tastes like. I don't know how long this takes, but it looks like it's pretty well done to me. I don't know what the cooking time is. It should tell you on the packet. Typical male. Okay, they're done. Just take them off the heat for a minute. Replace with this one. Get that back warm again. I don't have a what they call it, a civvy or something. I'm in the woods. I'm just going to drop this in. Okay, and now just drop half in. That's a bit more than half. I don't know if I'm doing this right. My daughter's quite good at this. Have we got any? No, have we got some here? Have a look. I might drop a bit of paprika in here. There was no peppers. I had a look. There was no peppers. Okay, it was going to. Beans as well, didn't we? Yeah. So I'm just going to mix all this up, and then we're ready for dishing in a bit. Get it warm through. Might want a bit more cream in there, RJ. What? Yeah. Yeah, what's cleaning? There you go, a little bit of paprika. That's it. Ready to serve. Smooth FIREMAPLE out of the way. Cool down. There we go. Dish time.
Around the trees.
Yeah. Taste test. Ooh. Try this.
Look at the spoon.
Look in the spoon. Wow, that's amazing. Thanks to FIREMAPLE. Very much for that. Appreciate that. Thank you very much indeed. Like I said, I'll leave all the link in the description down below. And here comes that plane again. I'm not going to stop now. Yeah, all the time. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be great. I don't know. Take care. Love you loads, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.